Hello guys, today I want to show you how to restore and repair this old computer case, maybe from 19, this old computer case from 19 to modern one. Let's see what we have. This old computer case made by Chieftech, I think, because here Chieftech design, made by Chieftech, but it's from 19. So we have DVD-ROM, we have places for DVD-ROMs, for 3.5 ROM, for HDD drives, but no one using it in 2023. So I think we need to remove this part because it's useless. This part of this PC case is useless. We need to remove it to make more space, to make better air circulation and something like that. And also I wish to replace this gray color on black by using black spray paint. So let's start. First of all, we need to remove all plastic parts and all side parts, like this one, like this side part. Front part. Okay, we remove it. What can we remove? I think that's enough. Now what we can see? We can see that these parts of case for DVD-ROM, 3.5 ROM, HDD-ROMs is holding by this kind of, I don't know how to call it, screw or aluminum reveal. This kind we need to remove. We need to remove it. We need to use screwdriver with drill for metal. There is many reveals like this. Here. I'm already removed some part of it, but few reveal still here, so I can show you how to remove. We got one. It's hard to remove. I'm just using hammer, screw. Okay, maybe it can help. Success. Okay, by same way, we need to remove all of the reveal that holding these parts, like this one, in front, in back, in sides. You need to find all of reveals and remove it. Okay, we already removed all of the reveals because I'm not filming it, but I'm removed all of, I hope, all of these reveals that hold this part. And now this part looks like it's almost free. So let's try to remove it from here. Success! Okay, what do we have? We have PC case, and it looks more better than with these useless parts, I think. So I can show you it closer. Let's see. It looks like it's full ATX tower. Looks like full ATX. So what we're gonna do now? I think now I need to wash it by water, because here a lot of dust, so I need to wash it by water. Here, make it clean. I wish to wash by water front cover too, but if you can see here, here placed some electronics like LED indicators, like power button, reset button. So before we make it, we need to remove it. Okay, let's leave it for 24 hours to dry. Now it's summer and the air temperature is about 31-32 degrees by Celsius, so I hope it dry up fast. Hello guys, it's day 2 of our restoration PC case. So I think now this PC case is already dry up from the water. As you remember, yesterday we washed it by water, so it's already dry. So I think it's ready for using black paint spray. Okay, let's try it. Protect my floor by using some polyethylene or something like that. Okay, let's start. Whoa, it starts to dry and it looks awesome. It's red paint. I'm not sure it's red. It looks very nice. Inside here it's already dry. Whoa, looks nice. Okay, let's let it dry. Let it dry and see how it looks. Guys, I'm finished paint works and it looks too nice to be true. So black that my camera can't focus on it because it's totally black, matte black. It looks too nice, too beautiful. I don't expect it, but it looks really nice. Like this is factory paint, not spray paint at your home. Looks like it was painted in a Chiftec factory. Camera can't explain this, but in real life it looks so nice, very nice. Very nice matte black paint, too good. Okay, let it dry, because you see not all areas is already dried up. Some areas is still drying. Guys, our result is so good, so nice, so I decided to paint my front cover of PC case too. I hope this paint is still enough to paint it. Let's try. Okay guys, looks like all PC case parts is already dried up, so we can simply assemble it. Looks like nice. This part and this part, front cover. Let's try to install this front cover. Better way. Take a look. Nice. Looks very nice. Let's see. Nice. Nice matte black. It's too black. It's too black to see on camera. It's really nice matte black. Really nice. Really nice matte black. Look at this. Really total matte black. Very nice. Wow guys, look at that, all PC parts on their places. And it looks very beautiful. SSD 1, SSD 2, I'm trying to hide it. Said that cable is blue. If it will be black, it will be more better. Graphic card, CPU, motherboard, power supply, half hidden mounting of cables. Whoa, that's nice. Really nice. Looks very beautiful. More better than it was. Wow. Wow. More space for air circulation. I wish to buy black fans to set one black fan here, one or two here, maybe few here, but I don't buy it yet, so I will set it in their places when I buy it. But for now it's enough, because there is a lot of space for air, and it can circulate even especially without this side of PC case, because I'm using this case without one side, so I think air circulation will be good even without fans. Thank you guys. Wow, so nice. Look at that PC case. Wow, total matte black. Nice, very beautiful, I think. Nice. Oh, looks so good, so much better than it was. So nice. With my black parts of PC, like black graphic card, black motherboard, black power supply. It says hello guys. SSD shake hand to you. Okay, we need to fix it, but it looks nice. Very nice, very beautiful black matte PC case. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Guys, look at that, I can't stop to talk about it. It's very nice black paint. I'm very happy that I make it. Very nice, very black. Very nice. Please press like button, please subscribe to my channel. I wish to reach more followers. Thank you, thanks for watching. I'm glad that I make it, I'm glad that I film it, I'm glad that I share it with you. Thank you guys.